Assalamualaikum. We are from the group Kuliah of Inventory Management System. So today we are going to explain about our prototype. So in this first page, the user are required to click the enter button in order to run the application. So once the user clicks the enter button, the system will direct the user to a page where it prompts user to input their login details such as their name and also their ID number. After that, the system prompts the user to enter the login button. So before direct the user to the next page, the system will verify the user's username and also the ID number. So once the system successfully verifies the name and ID number, it will direct to the page of select options. In this page, we have 5 main options, starting from inventory of information, place order, maintenance report, update inventory, and audit inventory. We are just going to explain our main use case specification, which is place order. So once the user enters the option place order, the system will direct the user to a page where the system will display a set of equipments that to be purchased by the user. So we have divided our equipments into two types. One is ICT equipments, and the other is non-ICT equipment. So in this page, the system will display the price of the product and also their specification and characteristics. And the system also shows a code to be remembered on each of the product, and this code are required to be remembered by the user for purchasing details. So once the user decided to purchase, the system prompts user to select the option to purchase. In this page, the system prompts user to fill up a form of information starting from the name, the ID number, email, phone, and also the item code with quantity. Sorry, actually it's supposed to be up here. And then the vendor name will be automatically generated by the system, and users are also free to leave any comments they like. So once the user successfully fill up the form, the system prompts the user to select the option submit. So once the user submit this form, the application will be sent to the management, and then the application will be sent to the finance management, and then the system will direct the user to the page of invoice. In this page, the system will show information about the items information, starting from the type of item, description, the item, unit cost of the item, quantity of the item, and also the total cost of each item. And also, as a evidence, the system prompts user to download or print this invoice. So the system will automatically display a pop-up message showing to prompt user to download or print this invoice. So after the user successfully print or download this invoice text, the system will automatically direct the user to the end of the page. In this last page, the user can the system shows three set of options starting from main menu, logout options, and report. If users are not happy with any of our services, they are free to leave any reports or comments on the report options. If they are wish to log out from this system, the users are able to log out system, or if they wish to purchase the next following items, they can automatically select the main menu. So that's all from our group. Thank you.